Hello, this is a sink. I've been asked by over 4 people to create a tutorial to help some people get through these crazy times, the COVID times, the lockdown times, the non-fun times. So, a lot of men and women have been telling us to wash our hands. I've been washing my hands for over 7 years, but some people haven't been washing their hands, so it's good to keep your hands clean and tidy. So, the first thing is you find a sink. You can get sinks from Argos, Wilko, Fisher Price, Parents. Sometimes they come in the house. It depends how rich or lucky you really are. Turn on the tap. A lot of people say about how hot. It doesn't really matter. This comes in hot and cold. So keep it in the middle, or make it hot or cold depending on what you enjoy. Now, you don't want to waste water during this time, so keep it on a nice steady trickle, and then you put one hand in for around 20 to 30 seconds. My hand's slightly hairy, some hands are different, but that's not shame the hand. Okay? And then I have a song I sing to make this more fun. It goes, I'm gonna wash COVID right out of his hand. I'm gonna wash COVID right out of his hand. I'm gonna wash COVID right out of his hand. I'm gonna wash COVID right out of his hand. Like this. And then you can add a bit of soap. And just massage the soap in. There we go. In the fingers. In each finger. And around. When you do this, you won't be holding a phone, so you could probably do 2 at a time, and then keep shaking hands with the other hand and saying, "Oh, hello, let's keep clean together." So I'm doing this now, and in my head I'm still singing, "Gonna wash COVID-19 right out of his hand. Gonna wash COVID right out of his hand." COVID-19, you get no idea. And then I think we're around about done. If you have a child and they're not enjoying having to wash their hands, why don't you create a makeshift puppet? Hi, I am Mr. Banana. I say, wash your hands, Peter. What add a name for a child here? Like this. Wash my hands. These are my hands. There we go. Gonna wash COVID right out of my hands. And then hopefully the child will see it's fun to wash their hands. Remember, you can also wear gloves, and you can use that bacteria stuff that blobs onto your hands and you wipe it clean. Okay, stay safe. Hope you had fun watching this, but remember, stay locked down, because being sick is not fun.